Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss about the problems on logical operators. Okay, here you see first problem. Write a program that reads two numbers a and b and checks if the both the given numbers are greater than 9. Okay, the way of understanding of this problem is very easy, but here what I am saying, when we are going when we are going to future problems, okay, the problem definitely we will cut into pieces. Okay, in that pieces some few words will come. Okay, based on those words we have to segregate those words into mathematical terms. Okay, here what I am saying, this topic is logical operators. Okay, logical operators means what? Already I told you, logical and logical are and logical not. And means the all conditions will become true. Or means any one of the condition will become true. Okay, now not means complete opposite. If the given condition is true, the result will print false. Okay, here here all conditions becomes true means all. Okay, all word will all one of the any of the both this type of words indicates that particular operators. Here for base in this example, both word is coming. Both word is coming. See, both word indicates and symbol. Okay, not in all problems. Okay, maximum here what I am saying, not in all problems. Some definitely 70% of problems like this only. Okay, here this both symbol indicates logical and operator. Okay, if any one of here or any of the word came or one of the word came at that situations, logical that problem will applicable for logical or operator. Okay, see, and this is applicable for final conditions. Okay, first the given problem, first here we are taking inputs, then after based on that inputs, definitely we will prepare some conditions. Okay, after preparation of conditions, uh, we the based on that condition, finally we will apply the which operator. Okay, finally we will apply the operator for that preparation of conditions. Okay, we will see practically. Here what I am saying, write a program that reads two numbers. Okay, that it reads two numbers means first a is equal one number I am taking. First I will check with random numbers. Next b I am taking one more number. Okay, b I am taking one more number. Okay, inputs taken. Next what he is asking, both. Okay, both word keep in beside, keep in beside. Here what he is asking, the given numbers. Okay, the given numbers, what numbers he given, a is one number and b is one number, are greater than 9. That means the given numbers means first condition 1 is equal to condition 1, a is greater than 9. Okay, a is greater than 9. And condition 2, okay, condition 2 is equal to b is greater than 9. Condition 2, b is greater than 9. Okay, here both the given numbers means both numbers, first condition, a is greater than b and b is greater than, this is the given conditions. Here both word is applicable for these two conditions. Okay, both word is applicable for two conditions. Both the, okay, now both the numbers means both the conditions. Here a is greater than 9 and b is greater than 9. Okay, okay, now we will check the given condition. Okay, now if condition 1, okay, now condition 1 and condition 2, condition 1 and condition 2. Okay, condition 1 and condition 2, what he is asking, check the given numbers is true or false. Suppose it's true means, okay, suppose it's true means print true. Okay, suppose it's false means print false. Okay, see here, suppose the given are, okay, we have to do this problem. Okay, Now see, here the output is false. Okay, here the output is false. See, here what is the A means 5 or greater than 9. Okay, A means 5 or greater than 9. Here 5 is greater when comparing to 9. No, that's why the condition gives condition 1 is false. Condition 1 is false. Next, okay, 8 is greater than 9. Okay, 8 is greater than 9. Here also same. Okay, 8 is a small number when comparing to 9. Here also false. Here that means the both the conditions false and false. False and false what will give? False and false is equal false. Sorry, false and false is equal false. Okay, this is the and operator. Okay, that's why actually this problem will do simplification also. A is greater than 9 and B is greater than 9 also we have to check. That's not an issue. Actually no need this many lines. For future problems it will useful for this much of explanation why I am giving. This is a simple problem. Okay, but in future problems also we need to understand. Okay, that's why I am explaining this much. Okay, I hope you understand, friend. Now, yeah, this problem I will check with user input. Int input, enter a number. Okay, na? Enter first number. Okay, enter first number and mhm, int input, enter second number. Okay, now check this. First number here I am giving 9 and the second number here I am giving 8. Here 9 means 9 is greater than 9. Actually here greater than or is equal to not given. Okay, na? Actually 9 and 9 both are same, but here maybe it will print false. Maybe it will print false. Yeah, 8 is greater than 9 means that is also false. Then the output is also false. Yes. Okay. Now, now see, I will check with another numbers. Here A first number I am giving 10 and the second number I am giving 17. Here see the first option 10 is greater than 9. It's true. And 17 is greater than 9. It is also true. Then the output is also true. Okay. I hope you understand this concept, friends. Okay. Next, um, I hope you understand this problem. Okay. Now see the second problem. Write a program that reads two numbers A and B and checks if both the given numbers are negative numbers. Okay. See, checks. Okay, na? Checks means we have to apply the operators. Both. Okay, now both means what I said. Both word is indicates and symbol. Okay, both words is indicates and symbol is said to be negative. A number when we are calling a number is said to be negative. Number is less than zero is there means at that time the number is said to be negative. Okay, negative number means what? The number is always less than zero. Okay, number is always less than 0. That's why here number A I am taking as first number and number B I am taking sorry, B is taking as second number. Condition means what? The number. Here A means number. Okay, both the means first always we will prepare conditions. Okay, first always we have to prepare conditions. Okay, the process of your problem is first what input we have to take. The second point is what conditions he is asking. The third point is what is the expected output. Okay, we have to check these 3 points for every problem. Okay, now here a is equal to, okay, a is equal to one number and b is equal to another number. A number is said to be negative means the number is always less than, okay, the number is always less than 0. That's why the condition 1 is equal to a is less than 0 and condition 2 is b is less than 0. Okay, suppose the both the conditions are negative. Okay, that means the both the numbers are negative. At that time it becomes true, then otherwise it will become false. Okay, now we will check, we will see it now. Here a I am giving -4 and b I am giving -3. Okay, now -4, okay, is a negative number and -3 is a negative number. That's why the condition becomes true. Okay, now a I am giving one positive number 6 and b I am giving one negative number 8. Here see, one is the true condition. Okay, 6 is a positive number. Okay, yeah, 6 is a positive number. That's why it's false. -8 is a negative number. It's a true. One false and one true. False and true will becomes what? False and true will become false. Okay, na? False and true will give what? False. Okay, that's why the output will print false. Okay, likewise, like we have to check the given problem. I i hope you understand, friends. Now see the third problem. Write a program that reads two numbers a and b and checks if one of the given numbers is a positive number. First, positive number means what? The number is always greater than 0. The number is always greater than 0. That number we set to be a positive. Okay. Now see, now observe the problem. Write a number a and b as inputs. Clear. And checks means the final condition we have to check. And see here, one of the, okay, now one of the means in given conditions, one condition satisfied means the output will print true. Okay, now suppose both the condition becomes false, the output will be print false. Okay, see, already I told you clearly, any of the or one of the this type of words are coming in problem, that word is indicates r symbol. Okay, na, r symbol, this is the blind mark. Please all of you keep in mind, friends. Okay, let's have a dive into problem. First, A is equal to, okay, enter the first number. One input, B is one input. Okay, here positive means what? When we are saying a number is a positive, it is always greater than 0. That's why A is greater than 0 and B is greater than 0. And here, what is asking? One of the given numbers. Okay, one of the given numbers means the output condition what? The output condition is R. Okay, the output condition is R. Here, what is the condition one? A is equal to, suppose any positive number is coming means it's true. If any positive number is coming means it's true, and any positive number coming means it's true. Okay, or any one number is positive, or one number is positive and one number is negative. At that time also, according to problem, the given the given conditions are satisfied. Okay, I will check it. See here, what I am saying, suppose here a I am giving one positive number. Okay, na? And b I am giving one negative number. Okay, na? Here a means what? A is equal to 8. Okay, na? A is equal to 8 is positive number. Okay, that means it's true. Okay, na? Here b means -7. Minus means it's false. Okay, na? It's sorry, it's false. Then one true. Okay, na? One true or one false. Okay, now one true and one false means the output should be print true. The output should be print true. Okay, see here, enter. It's a true. Okay, na? Is it okay? Okay. The output should be true. Okay. Now we will check more examples. Suppose one number I am taking. Okay, one number I am taking 9 and the second number I am taking second. The output should be true. Why? Because the first condition is true and the second condition is also true. True or true will becomes true. Okay. Next, I will check with negative numbers. -8 and -4. Okay, here the first condition, that means first number is negative and the second number is also negative. That means false or false, the output should be false. Okay, the output should be false. Okay, I hope you understand, friends, this problem. Now see the fourth problem. Write a program that reads two numbers a and b and checks the sum of a and b is not greater than 100. Okay, first take inputs. A is equal, okay, a is equal, 89. Okay, a is equal to 78 and b is equal, b is equal uh, 8. Okay, na? A is equal to 78 and b is equal to 8. Okay, that is the given input. Checks means it is final condition, and sum he is asking. Okay, na? Sum he is asking. Then sum is equal to, sum is equal to, okay, a and b, sorry, a plus b. Okay, na? Sum is equal to a plus b, and what he is asking, the sum of the a and b is not, okay, not is the final condition, greater than 100. First, what he is asking, greater than 100 he is asking first. Then condition is, condition is equal to sum. Okay, na? Sum is greater than 100. Okay, sum is greater than 100. Suppose first here I check the given condition. I am checking first. Print condition print condition print condition means here sum is equal to how much? Here sum is equal to 78 plus 8. 78 plus 8 means how much will come? 86 will come. Like 86 will come. Here 86 is greater than 100. Here 86 is greater than 100. Actually 86 is greater than 100. No, it's a false condition. Okay, it's a false condition. Okay, actually first year whatever we checked, that condition is false. Okay, now we will check the actual problem. Here what actual problem? Here we want to check not greater than. Okay, here we have to check logical not. Okay, now logical not. Here logical not means, okay, here logical not means before you keep not. Okay, now before you keep not, only logical not is having only one condition. Okay, here there is no comparison word is always between the two or more. Okay, but logical not is applicable for only one and only condition. Here that one and only condition is sum is greater than 100 he asked. Suppose the sum is greater, it's true, but the print not. Okay, here actually here sum is greater, no. Well, okay, that the virginal result will print here. Okay, it's true. It's true. Why? Because is the sum is greater? No. Okay, it's here sum is not greater than 100. That's why it's a true. Okay, it's a true. But the checking of a condition is it's false. The virginal result of sum is not greater than true. No, not greater than 100. That's why it's true. Suppose here I am checking a, here I am giving 89. Okay, here giving 89. At that time, what will be print? Okay, at that time, what will be print here? What is the output? 167. Okay, here actually the output is the 167. Here 167 means is greater, right? Okay, is greater, right? Then 167 greater than 100. 167 greater than 100 means it's true. The checked condition is true, but the actual is the checked condition is true, but the output will be print false. See here, the output will be print false. Why? Because 167 is greater than 100. Okay, 167 is greater than 100. Actually, the checked condition is true, but here what is asking, not the not means always give the actual and perfect value. Okay, now here false is the correct answer. Okay, here 167 is greater than 100, it's a true value. Okay, true value, but not condition means it's false, it will be print. Okay, this is the uh, logical not problem, friends. Okay, next we have to see another problem. Next problem, now we see the fifth problem. See friends, first read carefully. Write a program that reads two numbers a and b. Okay, and here we have to check both a and b, and checks if both. Okay, checks if both A and B, here see what are the conditions. A and B are greater than 35. Okay, A and B are greater than 35, or A is greater than B. Okay, this is the final condition. Okay, here both means first you have to prepare first, this is the first condition and this is the second condition. Okay, finally we have to check these two conditions. Okay, now check with the inputs first. First preparation, given inputs A is equal to, okay, A is equal to, in first I will check random number 78 and B is equal to 45. Okay, B is equal to 45. This is the given inputs. And the next what he is asking, first condition, A and B is greater than 35. Okay, A and B, see, here A is greater than 35, condition 1. Here both, this both is indicates, okay, this both is indicates in this one condition. Okay, actually in this one condition internally we have two conditions. Okay, that's why condition first, repair condition 1, repair condition 1 is equal, repair condition 1 is equal to A is greater than 35 and B is greater than 35. Okay, A is greater than 35 and B is greater than 35. This is the first condition. Okay, actually check this condition. Here 78 is greater than 35. It's true value. Okay, it's true value. And 45 is greater than 35. It is also a true value. This is a true value and this is a true value and this is also a true value. Then what is the output here? This is also a true value. Okay, this is also a true value. Next, condition 2. Condition 2, what he is asking, A is greater than B. Okay, okay, A is greater than B, then A is greater than B. Now check this. Here A is equal to how much? 78 is greater than 45. This is also a true. Okay, this is also a true. See, what is the result of first condition? It's a true. And what is the result of second condition? This is also a true. Now we will prepare the final condition. If condition 1, okay, condition 1, here what he is asking, or he is asking, that's why condition 1 or condition 2. Okay, condition 1 and condition 2, that means here true or true. Actually when logical or is coming, at that time one condition is true, the output will be print true. Okay, both the condition becomes false, at that time only the output will be print false. But here both the conditions are true, then what is the output will be print? Definitely it's a true. Okay, now suppose the output will be print true, the output is print true, else print false. Okay, else print false. Okay, now check it. This is a true value. Why? Because one condition is true. Actually here the both the conditions are true. This condition is true, also this condition is also true. Okay, suppose here I am changing this as 25. Okay, here I am changing this as 25, as this is also 25. Now here you observe, this is a true value. Okay, actually this is a false value. When and is coming means it's a true value and it's a false value. Now this is a false value. Okay, this is a false value. Okay, now I will print this, print condition 1, print condition 1, check it. This is a false value and this is a okay, I will check with I will print condition 2 also. Condition 2, see here this is a 25. Okay, this is a 25. No, actually this is a false value, this is a true value. Okay, the final output is also a true. I will check it. See friends, Here I already told you, right, this is a false value, that's why this is a false value, and this is a true value, this is a true value. False or true, what is the output? It's a true value. Okay, it's a true value, then the final output is the true value, then the final output is the true value. Okay, now I will check with the user inputs. In input, uh, enter first number, and in input, enter second number. Okay, now see it. Here A, I will remove these all comments. Okay, see here. A I am giving as 78 and B I am giving as 45. Okay, yeah, first inputs I given, right? Like here true came. Okay, next here A I am giving 10, B also I am giving 10. Okay, now see, this is a false value. Why? Because the first conditions for here, this is not satisfied, this is not satisfied, then the output false. This is also not satisfied, then this is also false, the output will be print false. Okay, suppose the here I am giving 89 and another number I am giving just 1. See, it's a true value. Why? Because the first condition will becomes false, but the second condition will become true. Then the output should be print true. Okay. In this way, we have to check, friends. I hope you understand this problem. Okay. Thank you so much, friends. Okay. In this video, we covered the total 5 problems. I hope you understand this. All actually, these are very small problems. Okay. But the way of understanding must be developed from the initial level. Okay, suppose if you are beginners, okay, suppose if you are beginners, the way of logic building is starts from initial level only. Okay, please don't think hurry burry and don't think is fast. Okay, I need to learn very fast, I want to learn very fast, don't think in that way. Okay, the learning process, okay, the learning means it's a process is always is having one particular and perfect way. Okay, that's why don't do the work hurry burry, please try to understand, it's very small problems, but in future, okay, up to, okay, up to strings or up to loops, whatever may be, it's a intermediate problem and very basic level problems only we will discuss. Okay, in when we are entering into data structures, okay, list, sets, tuple, dictionaries, functions. Okay, when these concepts will occur in future chapters, from at that onwards intermediate level and top level problems will come. Okay, but the understanding definitely we are developing in this stage only. Okay, I hope you understand this video, friends. If you understand this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Okay, and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you so much, friends.